the question is net income 7,000, high commitment, mostly bad debt. Currently have property for own stay in Bukit Raja, Kelang. What should I do? Should I sell this house since my commitment is high to buy any other property? Please advise.
I'm not sure sebab your definition of high commitment tu apa. If you net income you 7,000 but you punya monthly commitment lebih pada 5,000 satu bulan, yes, you are part of high commitment. Satu is that it's very easy to go and say should I sell, tapi boleh ke jual. So a lot of people want to sell property but they cannot because they overpaid for the property. We have seen a lot of cases macam you in client, macam saya cakap, most likely you akan kena beli beberapa property and slowly bayar hutang. So the only time whereby you can buy one property and settle majority hutang is bila you ada hutang PPSA, you tak pakai lagi, you beli 800% loan, boleh dapat 300,000 cash out and boom, disettle. This is a peringatan to everyone dekat sini. Guys, one of the worst mistake you can make, right, is to buy a landed property as your first property for own stay. Not because the property itself is bad, tapi you're gonna lack the option of whereby you boleh sewakan rumah tu. Sebab for example, landed property ni mahal nak beli, installment mahal, tapi sewa dia murah. Bila you beli kondo, you bayar bank bulan-bulan 2,500, mungkin you sewa 2,000.